multiplying monomial to binomial. So 2x times x minus 3. So distributive property yung ating gagawin. So 2x times x. So lagyan natin dito 2x times x. So plus 2x times negative 3. Okay, so yung numerical coefficient muna. So 2 times 1. So may 1 yan dito is 2. And then meron tayong dalawang x. So x times x. So alam natin na meron yung exponent na 1. So i-add natin yung kanyang exponent. So x raised to 1 plus 1. And then plus. So numerical coefficient dito ay 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. And copyin lang yung x kasi wala namang variable sa kabila. Yan. Okay, add natin dito yung exponent. So 1 plus 1 equals yan, 2x squared. So ito na yung ating answer. So 2x squared plus negative 6x. Or pwede rin namang iayusin natin yan. 2x squared. So positive times negative will become negative 6x. So yan, pwede dyan yung sagot.